Our motto at Bosch is well known: invented for life. It means we design and manufacture power tools to make jobs of our users simpler and better through clever use of technology. Innovations come in all shapes and sizes. They may be really sophisticated or show up as small yet brilliant adjustments to a well-known way of working. What innovations are we proud of in power tools? Let us show you. Introducing GDX 18V-200C, a Bosch professional heavy-duty impact wrench. Impact wrenches are becoming more and more popular in the fixing and drilling category. Most users compare them against standard drill drivers and discover that because of their construction, impact wrenches deliver higher torque at the same weight of the tool without the risk of potentially hazardous kickback. GDX 18V-200C combines the best of features in just one tool. Normally, an impact wrench uses either hex or square accessories, but thanks to innovative 2-in-1 bit holder, you can use either of them without any need for adapters. You can easily switch between jobs and use the same tool for a wide variety of applications. GDX 18V-200C is highly adjustable. If you choose to install a GCY42 Bluetooth adapter into the tool, you will gain access to it through your smartphone or tablet, which will allow you to change convenient settings in a simple-to-use app. Needless to say that GDX 18V-200C is part of our innovative Pro Mix family, so it will deliver its high torque with any Bosch 18V battery that you have at hand. Indeed, a modern and innovative tool like GDX 18V-200C is made to go beyond.